Timberwolf.
Everybody wanna do the same thing, yup. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream.
Alright guys, what's up? It's your boy JackpotFamous. Now check this out. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone here. I am gonna take on Timberwolf Diamond. And check it out. 100 bucks in. If I can do it, I can do it. If I don't, I don't. I'm going for this. $3.75 a bet. I'm going for this. I'm going for it. I have full confidence that I'm gonna rock it out and make something happen. You hear that? Oh, he's howling for me. Let's go ahead and turn the volume up. Max bet, $3.75 a crack. We want one of those. Of course we want that 112, but we're doing it. $100 in. Can we do it? Let's go, guys. Come on. I need you to root and cheer me on. Come on, let's do it. $100. Oh, look at that. One more right in that column. A moon or an owl. The moon is wild. Come on. We gotta get something. Let's just at least get some good kickbacks. Let's get some good kickbacks to keep going. So we can crack one of those diamonds. Come on. I don't want to put another 100 in. I don't think I'm going to do it. Come on, let's go. Let's crack Timberwolf Diamond. Ah, come on. Come on, where are you? Where is... Ah, I was about to say, where is that wheel? Ah, you got to do it. Come on, Timberwolf. I know you can do it. We got $31. Timberwolf. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh, I thought that was our chance. We got 18 bucks. Come on, let's just hear it twice. There, let's do it. We did it. Oh, we did it. Come on. Let's crack it. Let's crack it wide open. It's like a little mini movie. Ready, guys? Let's do it. Come on. Hey, but we still can do it with that. You ready? You ready? You're ready. Satisfactory. We're trying to crack Timberwolf. Come on. Ah, we just missed a re-trigger. Just missed that re-trigger again. Look at that. I'm gonna go one more spin. Come on. I think I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. Look at it. I can't leave that. It gave me a lifeline. I'm gonna keep going. Only 100 in. Come on, we gotta get it again. Good stuff. I like the little sayings. Come on. We gotta get that wheel again. Let's go, Timberwolf. Come on. Alright. As long as we keep just getting little kickbacks, we gotta survive. I think if we get the wheel again, I think we're gonna get one of those. I think we're gonna get one of them. We just need the wheel. Come on, wheel. 50 bucks to do it. Oh, come on. Timberwolf. Yes, one more. We did it. I'm going for it. Come on. One of those. I don't care, even if it's the 19. It's a good movie. It's a good movie. Here we go. Come on, Timberwolf. Come on. Okay. I'm satisfied with that. Let's go. Come on! Woo! We just need 60 bucks to break even. But come on, Timberwolf! Big one. One big bonus. Timberwolf, come on. Nice. Nice. Yes. I'll take that. Thank you. Look at that. We got 31 games, guys. Come on. Woo! Come on. 10 more bucks and I'm even, but oh, come on. One more house. Still got a lot of games. I got 16 more games. Can we possibly re-trigger? Oh, look at all those owls. 2 more. I can put these in my pocket. These are so huge. Come on. We get another re-trigger. Wow. more spins. Oh, I want to re-trigger. All right, last spin. Look at that. Look at that. Nearly $200 on Timberwolf. Timberwolf Diamond. JPF is moving up and cracking the big ones.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream, yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.